Hello folks, welcome to Lester's Custom Truck Shop. Had a lot of questions about this radio. I only have one. That's all I was able to get before they sold out. It looks kind of neat. You see it's got white LEDs in there. They've changed the meter a little bit, not much, just a little. And it looks like a pretty neat radio. The only thing they didn't do was add FM to it. Okay, so, and it comes with a 198 microphone already. Touch select multicolor, and looks a lot like, well, I won't say it. You guys know what it looks like. All right, let's open it up and see what it looks like in real life, not a picture on the box. It's heavy, I can tell you that. That's always a good sign. Okay. At least they were smart enough to put the bracket on the outside of the plastic. Oh. Now that is a power cord. One of the heavy ones like they use on the 69 FFB4. And they're touting 120 watts. And that's probably 120 watts before anything's done to it. Oh, it's vented. Get the box out of the way. You guys already know what that microphone looks like. Okay, that's what I mean by vented in the back. All the holes cut in there, and it's on the bottom too. And look at there, got a couple of fans in there. All right, let me get some tape on the bezel. And I want to check it out first before I try to do anything, before I break the seal and ruin the warranty. That's what the front of it looks like. And it's about the same size as a 39 VHP. And I'm gonna use the B&K initially. It does have a 4-pin microphone, so that's good. I do have to tell you, they think an awful lot of them. They're not cheap. It feels like the covers have been powder coated, which that's good. Okay. Fire up the power supply. It's a really nice looking radio. The white LEDs is kind of a soft white. Can you see that? They've got kind of a, to me, it looks like a pinkish tint to it. Not a bright white. Okay. Oh, the little color button right there is touch sensitive. It's not actually a button. It's like it's not a tactile. It's just a touch. Go through all the colors for you. I like the blue. This has got a nice bright blue. I'm just going to leave it right there for right now. Well, let's see. I did like the green. And I also like the teal or aqua or whatever it is. All right, it starts at 28,315 and goes up to 29,660. Okay, that's out of the box, of course. All right, let's do some testing on channel 1, which is 28,315. So that's in the voice band. I'm on a dummy load, so don't worry. I'm going to start out with, I hate that Talkback crap. Okay, it's dim all the way up, yep. All right, looks like we're dead keying about 22 watts. Audio, hello, hello, audio, 1, 2. And we're going a little over 100. Okay. All right, let's try it on upper sideband, which that's what you do on 10 meters. Hello, audio, 1, 2, 1, 2, audio. Is my mic gain all the way up? That didn't look too good. Audio. Okay, it's only swinging up to about 20 watts on sideband, and it's just barely making 100 on the upper side. Let's try lower side, see if there's any difference. Hello, audio, 1, 2, audio. No difference at all. So we can definitely improve on that. All right, it looks like everything is working. Yep. You can definitely hear those damn LEDs, and the noise blinker doesn't do anything. Oh, well, I'm on side. Go to AM. Okay, yep, noise blinker's working for that on AM. All right, looks like everything's working. So, time to pull the covers off, destroy the seal. Sure, everybody's curious what the inside looks like. I know I am. Like I said, it's heavy. There. Got the caution surface may be hot sticker on the bottom rear of it. Got that small speaker like the 98 VHP and the 2970s and all have. Okay, that looks like the amp section. Yep. Got a small amplifier in it. That board looks familiar. It kind of looks like the 69 VHP board or the okay, it does not look like the 2970 or 2950 boards, but it does strongly resemble but it EPT 950 M10B, so it's new. Looks like we can do most of our standard modifications to it. I don't see, oh, there's the 4558, so we can do that also. The CP1 I'm talking about. We can probably do the less-com upgrades, and the filter's probably in there. Oh, yep, there it is right there. Can you see that? Right there. So, have to remove the shield to get to that. But hey, I know how to do that. Okay, so it looks like the standard, the standard unplug from one spot, plug in another one to get everything. You guys know what I'm talking about. For full coverage, I mean. And looks like the standard setup, fellas. Pretty sure that All three of these are RT1s, and I'm pretty sure what's in here is RT1s. So let's see how difficult it is to get this cover off. And I already see a pinched wire. Look at that brown wire right there. Can you guys see that? See that brown wire? He's already pinched between the cover and the heatsink. Wow. Good Q&A there, Ranger. Looks like a good heat sink. Look at that. It has that standard amp board in it that a lot of the Rangers do. Okay, the 4 MOSFET board, like the same one that's in that $29.95, but it's got a good heat sink in here. The fans are a little small, but it looks like they draw air in and force it out over the heatsink. But see that brown wire right there? Can you guys see that? It's mashed flat. So I'll have to check that and make sure that it's not broken. If it's broken, I will replace it. That's just brand new radio. Well, there it is, guys. And like I said, I only have one of them. So I'm going to correct this brown wire and do a tune-up on it. That's all I'm going to do, and then I'll have it available for sale. I think I can do all the modifications to it. Yeah, I can do the less-com enhancements. I can do the full coverage. We can do the CP1. The enhancements, of course, will include replacing that filter. And I've got my first run of the LCSP1 boards, less-com SP1 boards, is in production. I should have them probably sometime next week. So I'll be able to put the first one together and we can check it out and see how it works. I used a totally different design than what Top Gun was using. You know, I didn't want them to think that I was using their design in any way, so I did a totally different design. I think you guys will like it. But that's it. Like I said, RT1's here in the back. Both the driver and the 2 finals are RT1s. Looks like there's a spot for a 3rd final. This is probably the same chassis. They got set up to use the 4 RT1s there in the back. So you don't want to overdrive this one. But that's pretty cool. I like it, but that's probably going to need to be replaced because it is mashed flatter than all get out. All right, that'll do it for this video. 7-3.